Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the perfect everyday look for fall. I feel like it's a really beautiful daytime look, no false lashes. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. All right, let's start by priming our skin. I've been giving this a try. This is new by Farsali. It's the Skin Tune Blur. It's a perfecting primer serum. So it's kind of like a blend of a serum and a primer, and it's gonna blur out your skin. I like the way it looks, but I don't know if it's me or if I got like a defective little dropper. Oh, now it's working. Because before the product wasn't coming out, but now it seems to be working. See, now it doesn't wanna work. Or maybe that's just how it works. I am going to fill in my brows really quick and I'll be right back. All right, I always like to start off with my eyes, even if I'm doing a really basic look. I don't know, the eyes are just like my go-to. And I have been obsessed with using the MAC Paint Pot as a base instead of concealer. Normally I do a concealer, like whatever concealer I'm using for the day, that's what I'll apply. But I feel like the MAC Paint Pot has been working so well. I love this color in particular. It's called Soft Ochre. For an everyday look, I like to keep the eyes simple. I'll switch up the palettes every once in a while, but either way, the eye makeup ends up looking the same because I'll do the same kind of neutrals. But today I am going to be using the Urban Decay Elements palette. I think this palette is so pretty. I definitely want to do a much more dramatic look with it because it has so many pretty colors. But for today, we are just going to be using, I think I'm just gonna pick up the shade Elemental right here. I feel like this shade is a little bit bold for a neutral. It's super pigmented, this palette. I think it's a perfect shade for a daytime look though. So this color, I'm pretty much just working it into the crease and blending it out. And then whatever I have left over, I kind of drag it down my eyes. I just literally just drag that same color down on the rest of my eyes, and we're just gonna keep blending. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Antidote. It's a super light shade, and we are going to put that on our brow bone. This white middle shade in the palette, it looks like super bold because it's just like pure white and it has like speckles of shimmer in it, but I love applying this on the inner corners of my eyes. Daytime or night look, I will do this. Oh, cannot forget my waterline. There we go. Little color correcting because I look tired. I'm gonna be mixing two shades because my self tanner is kind of wearing off on my face. I'm using the Laura Geller Filter First Luminous Foundation. I have been loving this foundation. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna be mixing the shades Medium and Caramel so that we can get a perfect match. I love the finish of this foundation. Your skin looks airbrushed. You get that dewy finish. But once I set it with powder, it's not too dewy for me. Next up, concealer. To set my concealer, I kind of just use my beauty blender to pick up the powder, and then I just press it anywhere that I had concealer. I feel like when I do a cream contour, it definitely lasts a lot longer as opposed to if I just do powder. So we are going to do a little cream contour, and I feel like I've been doing the same method for a while, but it's been working. And then we just set it with a little bronzer. I'm taking that same shade from earlier called Elemental, and we are just going to place it right underneath my lower lash line. It looks like it would be super intense, but I feel like it's such a nice color for the daytime. It's not that crazy. Like, it's not as intense as you would think it'd be, and it's really, really pretty. It's like a light golden shade. Can't forget that nose highlight. All right, now I'm gonna do mascara, and the combo I've been doing lately is first I apply the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, and this makes your lashes really, really long. And then on top of that, I will go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras ever. And I feel like this one makes them like super black and really voluminous. And sometimes it looks like I have like little individual falsies on, but this combo is just that good. And now for my favorite part of any makeup look, the lips. I'm gonna be showing you my favorite combo for fall. You guys know I always have a little combo happening. I'm gonna start off with my Morphe lip liner, and this one is in the shade Sugar Pie. And then on top of that, I'm gonna use one of my new favorite lipsticks. This is by Bobbi Brown, one of the Luxe Matte Lipsticks. And this one is in the shade True Pink. I think this shade is so beautiful for fall. All right guys, we're done. This is my daytime look for fall. I love how we have a little bit of a smoky eye happening. It's a super light, neutral smoky eye, which is perfect for the daytime. And then this lip color, I love it so much. I don't know why, but it just speaks to my fall heart. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.